Hi, my name is Vincent Dérozier. I'm a lead art content in the game industry and I've been working in it for the past 15 years. I've been lucky enough to work on productions such as For Honor, Assassin's Creed Odyssey, Immortal Phoenix Rising, but also Assassin's Creed Shadows more recently. I'm really excited to share with you guys a series of videos about how to create realistic cliff surfaces inside Substance Designer. We will start by creating a polished material, and then we will pivot on how to create a cohesive collection of surfaces. In the process, we will talk about Substance Designer, of course, but we will also talk about art fundamentals such as rhythm, color palette, detail frequencies, and so much more. So let's get right into it.